Okay, I'm here to tell you a little bit about what we're going to learn in math this year. You kiddos know that we've already started multiplication and division, and you are all doing great. We have been working on equal groups using little chips so you can actually touch stuff. And we're working on drawing pictures of arrays to show equal groups. So multiplication and division are really major work of a third grader. By the end of third grade, you need to understand and represent multiplication and division. And you also need to start getting more fluent or fast with multiplication. So it's not necessarily just memorization. It's a bit of, you know, understanding behind it. So, a huge part of third grade is multiplication and division. Another new thing is fractions. We will really be working hard this year to represent fractions and understand fractions less than one whole. We won't quite go into mixed numbers, but I will extend kids who are ready for that. Um, and really, fractions on a number line is a big deal in understanding, really kind of breaking down measurement, so linear measurement. We do a lot with the metric system, which goes really well with our science stuff. So we learn about linear measurement, we learn about weight, and we learn about volume. And we do a lot of adding and subtracting. So applying what we learned in second grade with adding and subtracting to the metric system and measurement. So that's a big one. The second unit or third unit, I can't remember exactly. We are going to go back to addition and subtraction, measurement, like I said, but also time. So measuring time, measuring elapsed time, and that can be pretty tricky. Anything you can do to help your kids would be great. We build that understanding very conceptually, but you can practice it the way that you've always practiced. Nothing that you can do or talk to your kids about will derail them. So don't feel like, oh, I don't know the new way. Just talk to them about math and we'll all be happy. Those are kind of the major things. Fractions, multiplication, and division are pretty new. We'll do geometry at the end of the year. Graphing is a big one and a fun one. And it'll really go along well with our weather and climate unit. And I really do try to show kids how math helps us understand the world. So we'll use math in our government unit. We'll use math in our force and motion unit. We'll use math in our weather unit, that kind of stuff. So anyway, I hope that after you're watching some of these videos that you leave us comments or ask me questions to show that you watched some of the videos. I do think for you parents, it's important that you understand what we're learning so you can communicate with your kids, like, hey, how's multiplication going? How are you drawing pictures about your multiplication? So you can have conversations. Anyway, thanks for watching.